Chandrababu Naidu. Of course, we have the expert on Chandrababu Naidu with us here. TDP's leader, former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Now suddenly this tussle, both parties have backed the NDA government. What's really playing out here? We earlier saw that there were a lot of political killings between the YSRCP and the TDP as well. People been hacked to death. Political turmoil and tussle between these two parties, they have their own history. But something as unprecedented as arresting a former chief minister, on a skill development scam, removing those pictures from social media and from public consumption of the arrest, so as to make sure that Chandrababu Naidu doesn't garner sympathy. Then Chandrababu Naidu's visuals came across when he was on that caravan and he was going there to visit. And that's not all. Pawan Kalyan, Janasena chief, is also in the turmoil, because Janasena chief is going there. He's saying, I wanted to go there. This was a plan. I had planned this trip 4 months back. He lies down on the highway. He is detained later on. What is happening in Andhra Pradesh essentially, Nancy?
Well, I feel like, if you read the whole story,
and we have those visuals as well. Before, we move on, I'm going to ask the control room to play out those, dramatic shots, because you can see that there's a human chain and Chandrababu Naidu is walking right in the center of that human chain. And whilst he's been shifted. Take a look at that visual and you'll just see the man walk. Abhi shakal dekhiye, ye dekhiye. That's the man right there. He's been shifted to a different jail now.
And I think it takes a lot of efforts, it takes a lot of planning to, to see the ex-chief minister of Andhra Pradesh like this, being taken up to custody.
So it's a 14-day judicial custody. He's been sent to Rajahmundry Jail.
Yeah, and the way this whole thing turned out, it happened so fast. In the 6 a.m. in the morning, the CID is there to, arrest him. The police is there. And if you hear the bite, where, his first reaction after the arrest, he's like, I'm not understanding what is happening. I don't know how am I.
What do you mean him? People around him couldn't understand. We were trying to understand and break the news.
Yeah, this happened overnight and suddenly nobody has any idea what is happening right now. Then we have Pawan Kalyan in the picture as well. So this political turmoil is turning out to be something, and nobody is able to question Jagan Mohan Reddy as well. That, because people don't even have facts. People are like, what if Chandrababu Naidu does have something to do with that AP development
And these
case?
are all allegations in the first place, no? In any case. Take a look at what the newspapers are saying. It says, Andhra Pradesh Skill Development Funds case, day after arrest, Chandrababu sent to 14-day judicial custody. Former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and Telugu Desam Party President N. Chandrababu Naidu was sent to 14-day custody by Special Anti-Corruption Bureau. Naidu, who was arrested by the Andhra Pradesh CID at dawn on Saturday for his alleged involvement in the AP Skill Development Corruption Scam, Corporation Scam, beg your pardon, was produced before the court for the third additional sessions judge, come special judge for ACB cases on Sunday morning. Nearly 6 hours of arguments by lawyers on both sides followed, during which the CID sought 15-day custody of the former chief minister, jo ki mere khayal se ab unko mil chuki hai. In its order in the evening, however, the court sent Naidu to judicial custody. While he is in judicial custody, the CID will have to seek the court's permission to question Chandrababu Naidu. What do you think is going to happen next? I mean, of course, TDP party workers are going to, point their fingers on the YSRCP, the YSRCP on the TDP. But what about the people? And what about governance of the people? I mean, this is a current chief minister versus the former chief minister.
I think we are talking about a former chief minister here. So, the moment he was arrested, there was people, who were protesting outside his home, outside, the jail, Vijayawada, ACB court. We can see protests happening all around because people are not understanding what is happening. Now that, he is in judicial custody, now the CID will have to seek permission of the court to question him on the first place. But my point is that, these kind of things happen, allegations are thrown around randomly between political parties who don't go, along with each other. But, getting him arrested, he's in jail already, he's been taken into like some criminal right now, and nothing has been proved yet. So the questioning still has to be done, the witnesses still have to be, the facts are still not there, the CID is at him, we want to question him. But what is going to happen? Are they going to find any link? Because we are talking about, the scam that we are talking about, it mounts up to the amount of 371 crore that we are talking about, and that is government funds. which was supposed to go to the public, and public is right now supporting him. Is it because that he's not wrong, we don't know what is happening, and you are alleging him that he did something bad to us or he was trying to fool us. So I think it will be interesting to see how this whole matter unfolds before us.
And let's not forget that Andhra Pradesh does not go to polls, but the other Telugu state, Telangana, does go to polls. And both these elections do somehow end up affecting each other. These are the latest shots when he has been shifted to the Rajahmundry jail that you can see. Chandrababu Naidu, sent to 14-day judicial custody, was last night shifted to Rajahmundry jail, and visuals of the same on your screens, ladies and gents.